price is not an issue pagdating dito sa platform na ito. Because ang nagmamatter po dito sa platform na ito is how well do you optimize and how well you justify your prices based on how you represent or how you present your products to your buyers. Because even na ibenta natin ng piso or libre yung product mo dito sa Shopee or even Lazada and TikTok, hindi ka makakabenta. Lalo na kung hindi mo alam kung papaano i-optimize ang product. Matatalo at matatalo ka talaga doon. Okay? Another thing, how come these other sellers selling their products at a very high margin and yet they are optimized and getting sales and orders? And you na nagbebenta ng pababa, you're not getting any sales. How can we explain that, di ba? Paano natin yung mapapaliwanag? So meaning, it's not a price factor. It is a seller factor. Problema ng seller. Seller ang may problema. Okay? The problem is, you do not want to accept the fact that you are the problem, not the price and not the product. O sabi ko sa inyo, baka mamaya etong 47 na tong audience o nabawasan na ng isa. 47 audience, sa susunod na session, pustahan tayo, mga 30 na lang yung a-attend dyan. Kasi masasaktan. Are you hurting or learning? Umiilag yung iba. Are you hurting or learning? Pasensya na kayo, no? Hindi ko kasi pwedeng i-baby yung mga ganong klaseng mindset. Hindi pwede ho yun dito sa masterclass. Kung nagagawa nyo po yun sa mga seller group, hindi po yun pwede dito. Malalason ang mindset ng ibang mga sellers dito. Okay? Hindi lang ito turo-turo lamang. I need to trigger the problem. Baka ikaw ang problema, hindi yung presyo, hindi yung produkto. Okay? Well, anyway, moving forward tayo.